In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or restore Steam Cloud saves. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Removing save data can't always be undone. So proceed carefully and make sure you are acting on the correct game. Start by opening Steam and looking to the top left corner for the Steam menu. Click it. Choose Settings, then select the Cloud section. Here, turn off Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization. This pause is important. Disabling sync prevents Steam from immediately uploading or downloading saves while you work, which protects you from an accidental overwrite and makes sure the changes you are about to make actually stick. You can always come back and turn this on later when you are finished. Next, go to your library and find the game you want to reset or clean up. Right. Click the title, hover over Manage, and click Browse Local Files. This opens the game's installation folder directly in your File Explorer, saving you the trouble of hunting through system directories. Look for the Save Data folder. Common names include Saves or Saved, though some games use a custom name. If you are unsure which folder holds your progress, check for folders with recent modified dates or consult the game's documentation. Once you've identified the right folder, delete it. That removes the local copy of your saves. Make sure the game isn't running while you do this, because active games can recreate files or lock them, and your changes might not take effect. With the local saves cleared, it's time to remove the cloud copies, so Steam doesn't pull them back down later. Open a web browser and go to store.steampowered.com/account/remotestorage. Sign in if prompted. You'll see a list of games that use Steam Cloud. Find your game. Click Show Files, review what's stored there, and delete the files you no longer want. This page reflects what Steam currently has backed up for that title, and deleting here removes the remote version. Some games store multiple slots or configuration files. Delete only what you are certain you don't need. At this point, your local and cloud saves for that game should be cleared, giving you a true clean slate. The next time you launch the game with Cloud Sync still off, it should start fresh and create new save data. When you are satisfied, you can return to Steam's settings and re-enable cloud synchronization to resume normal backups based on your new state. That's it. Thanks for watching.